Hello students, in this video we'll discuss a new topic, that is data handling. So question number 1 is given here. The result of a survey of 200 people about their favorite foods is given below. So one chart is given here. So fruit apple likes 45 people, orange like 30 people, banana like 20 people, this way. Okay, so you have to use this use a graph paper to do this, bar graph. This type of graph is called bar graph. Okay, so in the, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. At first draw the axis in the graph, so you have to take always the centimeter graph. Okay, remember this centimeter, this millimeter graph. Okay, now the first one is given, apple likes 45 students, 45 people. So in the, along x-axis we have taken here fruits, and along y-axis we have taken here students. Not students is given, people, number of people. Okay, number of people. So apple likes 45 people, so you have to do the graph like this way. This is 45, and we have taken along y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 5 unit along y-axis. So this is 1 centimeter, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, then 25, 30, this way this will go. So apples like 45 people, so you have to do the bar graph up to this 45. Then after that, orange like 30 people, so you have to do the bar graph up to 30. So this way you have to do the graph. Now go to next problem. Question number 2. So in question number 2 there is also given one chart, but there are two part given in the chart. So item grill stories A and B. So here is given Mr. Khurana has two kitchen appliance store. He compared the sales of two stores during the month and recovered the given below. So there are two store A and store B. So grill sale in store A 40 and from store B 20. Then there is given toaster is sale 35, then from B there is 15. So in same way you have to do this, solve this in a graph paper. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So in grill there have two parts, store A, store A is this white part, and store B, this is this line part. Okay, so if you take here grill, so in store A how many grill sell 40 grill. So this bar graph you have to do up to 40, and in store B how many grill sell 20. So this bar graph you have to do up to 20. So in this way you have to do left of the part. Okay, Now question number 3. So question number 3 is given. So one bar graph is given here. There is given food, clothing, education, and in the along y-axis there is given expenditure in rupees. So that means a family's expenditure is given here. The family in food they expend 2100 rupees. In clothing they are expend 6600 rupees. In education they are expend 1200 rupees, and these miscellaneous then etc. They are expend 1500, and saving is 1000. Okay, from this graph you have to solve. By using this graph you have to solve this question. Some questions are given here. The first question is, what information is given below in the graph? So in this graph they are given here a family's monthly expend. Okay, and question number 2, there is given on which item expenditure is maximum. So you can see that which item expenditure is maximum, that is food item expenditure is maximum. So write there food. Now question number 3, on which item expenditure is minimum. So which item expenditure is minimum, that is clothing. So you have to write there clothing. Now number 3, on which 3 is completed. Number 4, state whatever is true or false. Expenditure in on education is twice the expenditure of clothing. So you look at the expenditure of education, that is 1200, and expenditure of clothing, that is 600. That means expenditure of education is double of the expenditure of clothing. So this is true. Okay, so in this way you can solve left of the question in this exercise 19.1. So your homework is question number 4, 5 and 6. If there is any problem I'll discuss again in our live class. Thank you everyone.